In this video, I am going to teach you parts of speech. In English language, words are divided into 8 types depending upon their usage or function. In English language, words are divided into 8 kinds according to their function or usage. They are called parts of speech. They are called parts of speech. How many parts of speech are there? 8. What are they? They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Noun. What is noun? A noun is a naming word. A noun is a naming word that indicates the name of a person, place or thing. A noun is a naming word which indicates the name of a person, place or thing. For example, Ram, Sita, Sai. Names of persons. Hyderabad, Assam, Railway Kodur. These are names of places. Table, chair, pen, computer. These are names of things. What is noun? A noun is a naming word. Names of persons, places, things. A noun is a naming word. Pronoun. What is pronoun? A pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. Instead of a noun, we use pronoun. A pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun, in the place of noun. Example: he, she, it, this, that, they, them, these, those, etc. These are examples of pronoun. Instead of noun, we use pronoun. A pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. In the place of noun, we use pronoun. He, she, it, this, that, they, them, these, those. These are all examples of pronoun. Ram is a boy. He is an intelligent boy. Ram is a boy. Ram is an intelligent boy. Ram is good student. Ram is active. We are using Ram, Ram, Ram. Instead of using Ram, we use he. Ram is a boy. He is an intelligent boy. He is an active boy. Instead of the noun Ram, we use here he. Another example. Ram was the king of Ayodhya. He ruled well. Ram was the king of Ayodhya. Ram ruled well. In the place of Ram, instead of Ram, we use he. He ruled well. Adjective. An adjective is a word that qualifies a noun or pronoun by adding more information to its meaning. An adjective is a word which qualifies a noun or pronoun by adding more information to its meaning. Example: Ram is a good boy. What type of boy Ram? Ram is a boy. What type of boy? Good boy. Here, good is an adjective. Ram, noun. Ram is a good boy. Adjective gives more information about the noun Ram. He is a lazy boy. What type of boy he? He is a lazy boy. Lazy is an adjective. He, pronoun. Here, lazy, adjective. He, pronoun. Gives more information. Adjective gives more information about pronoun he. He is a boy. What type of boy? He is a lazy boy. She is a beautiful girl. What type of girl? Beautiful girl. Here, beautiful is an adjective. Krish is a brave boy. What type of boy Krish? Here, Krish is noun. Brave is an adjective. Krish is a brave boy. Noun. Krish, noun. Brave, adjective. Gives more information about noun. Krish. Krish is a brave boy. Verb. A verb is a word that tells something about an action, state, or possession. A verb is a word that tells something about an action, state, or possession. A verb is an action word. Example. She goes to school. Where she goes? She goes to school. Goes is an action. Sita eats mangoes. Eats, an action word. Eat, verb. She teaches grammar. What she teaches? She teaches grammar. Teach is a verb. Action. Teaching is an action. I'm teaching. I'm doing some work. Action word. Verb. A verb is an action word. She goes to school. Goes. Action word. Sita eats mangoes. She teaches grammar. I'm teaching. Teaching is an action. You are listening. Listening is an action word. A verb is an action word that tells what somebody is doing. What somebody is doing. It also tells about the state or possession. It also tells state or possession. He is a student. What is he? He is a student. State. She is a doctor. She is a doctor. Lata has a nice saree. Has. Lata has a nice saree. Possession. They have a car. What they have? A car. Possession. He has a pen. Has. Here has is verb. He is a student. His. Auxiliary verb or helping verb. State. What is he? He is a student. Lata has a nice saree. Here she has a nice saree. Possession. Has. Here has is verb. They have a car. He has a pen. Adverb. An adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb, adjective or another adverb. An adverb is a word which gives more information about a verb, adjective or another adverb. An adverb is a word which modifies, which gives more information of a verb, adjective or another adverb. Example, Ram runs quickly. Ram runs. Runs verb. How he runs? Ram runs quickly. Here quickly is adverb. Ram runs. Runs verb. It gives more information. How he runs? He runs quickly. Quickly is adverb. In this sentence, Ram runs quickly. Runs is verb. It modifies the meaning of the verb. It gives more information. Ram runs how? How he runs? Ram runs quickly. It is a very sweet mango. It is a very sweet mango. It is a mango. It is a mango. It is a very sweet mango. Here sweet is adjective. It is a very. Very is adverb. Ram runs very quickly. Ram runs quickly. Here runs verb, quickly adverb. In this sentence, Ram runs very quickly. Very is another adverb. Quickly is also adverb. Very is also adverb. It also modifies. It also gives more information about adverb. Ram runs quickly. How he runs? Ram runs very quickly. Preposition. A preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or pronoun. A preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or pronoun. Pre means before. Pre means before. Preposition. Before a position, we place preposition. Preposition shows the relation between a person, place, or a thing. It shows relation between a person, place, or a thing. Preposition means before a position. Pre means before. Before a position, we place this word preposition. Example, at, on, in, into, for, with, by, from, along, inside, between, beside, among, etc. These are all prepositions. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or a pronoun. Pre means before. Preposition. Before a position, we place this word preposition. Preposition shows the relation between a person, place, or a thing. Example, Ram is at the market. Ram. Here Ram is noun. Market. Market is place. Ram is at the market. Where is Ram? At the market. At is the preposition. It shows the relation between the noun Ram and place, the market. Market. Ram is at the market. The pen is on the table. Where is the pen? On the table. On. Here on is the preposition. The pen, noun. Table, noun. It shows table is a thing. Table is noun and it is thing. It shows the relation between the place and thing. The pen is on the table. The pen, noun, is on the table. Table, thing. Where is the pen? It is on the table. The pen is on the table. Here, on is the preposition. She is in the kitchen. Where is she? In the kitchen. In. Here in is preposition. He is fond of sweets. He is fond of sweets. Here of is preposition. Conjunction. A conjunction is a word which combines, connects or joins two or more sentences or two or more words. A conjunction is a word which combines two words or two sentences or two or more sentences together. Junction. Junction means joins, connects. Junction means joins, connects. A conjunction is a word which combines, connects two words or two sentences together. Example: but, and, so, if, as, since, or, not, etc. What is a conjunction? A conjunction is a word which combines, connects two words or two sentences, two or more sentences together. A conjunction is a word which combines two words or two sentences together, two or more sentences together. But, and, so, if, as, since, or, not. Examples of conjunction. Example of conjunction. He worked hard. He worked hard but failed. He worked hard but failed. Here but joins these two sentences. He worked hard, he failed. He worked hard but failed. She studied well, so she got good marks. Here so is conjunction. It joins the two sentences. She studies well and she got good marks. She studied well, so she got good marks. If you work hard, you will get good rank. If you work hard, you will get good rank. Here, if is conjunction. If you work hard, you will get good rank. Ram and Sita went to market. Ram and Sita, two words. And here and is conjunction. Interjection. An interjection is a word which is used to express sudden strong feelings. An interjection is a word which is used to express sudden strong feelings. It is used to convey emotions such as anger, surprise, fear, worry, etc. Interjection is used to convey emotions anger, surprise, fear, worry, etc. An interjection is a word which is used to express sudden strong feelings. It is used to convey emotions such as anger, surprise, fear, worry, happiness, etc. Example: wow, what a beautiful rainbow. Wow, what a beautiful rainbow. Hurrah, India has won the match. Alas, she is dead. Alas, she is dead. Wow, what a beautiful rainbow. Surprise. Hurrah, India has won the match. Happiness. Alas, she is dead. Emotion. Thanks for watching. Please like, share. It will be useful to do more videos for me. Thank you.